Assalamualaikum you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. अच्छा जी, so we are checking out आज this is Jugnu Lahore by Hussain Rehar. ठीक है, उनकी this is the Unstitched Lawn 2026 collection. ये सारे जी माशाल्लाह हैं, ये हम सारे देखने लगे and it is so pretty honestly. The colors, let's just look at the color. पहले में oh so pretty, but really just look at the colors. ये देखें माशाल्लाह, the beautiful colors, all of them, and they stitch so nicely as well. Really ठीक है, I think that makes or breaks the whole thing. Good stitching. ये देखें, अच्छा, I love this color. ब्यूटीफुल पीच, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ऑरेंजी पीच लग रहा है. दिस इज़ अ पिंकी पीच, ब्यूटीफुल पिंक पीच कलर है. ठीक है, ये देखें जी. लेट मी सी द प्राइस. चेक आउट. इसकी अच्छा प्राइस नहीं लिखी अभी, तो यू गाइस विल हैव टू फिगर दिस आउट योरसेल्फ. आई एम सॉरी बिकॉज इस वक्त अभी मैं इसको बंद करके प्राइस पे नहीं जा सकती. ठीक है, वो प्रोसेस, आई हैव टू डू दिस अनएडिटेड, अनकट. आई लव डूइंग अनकट, यू नो, रिएक्शंस एंड ऑल. Select the silk dupatta. It's a sort of a blend, I don't know which kind, but इसमें they always give a blend. हाँ, 13,900 के. Very pretty though. I think if you stitch them like, you know, इस तरह, it will look very pretty. I love this color. This beautiful hot pink. Lots of laces, lots of work. Oh, I'm not sure. ये stitched में भी है? अच्छा, ये unstitched ही है. ठीक है, because sometimes they do stitched and unstitched same का ना. But ये unstitched ही है. ये आपने खुद ही stitch कराना है. And this is a gorgeous hot pink. ये देखें. The embroidery is nice. ये देखिए. Okay, I love this. This is beautiful lemon yellow. Wow. It's very. I don't know why I love this color. यही same sort इसी तरह का color जो है इनकी luxury lawn में भी, and that is mine. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's so pretty. I love how it's been done with this pink. यार ये बहुत प्यार है. ये अजीब बात है, पता है, मुझे जो कलर्स अच्छे लगते हैं ना, I am 100% sure वो मेरे पे अच्छे लग रहे हैं. But I love them. I really love this color, really, you guys. So nice. अच्छा, पता है, मैं every year I'm like, okay, इस साल मैंने कोई लॉन नहीं खरीदनी. And then you guys know what happens. I love the shifly work on it. I think this is a beautiful outfit. Very pretty. I kind of. Now let's look at the black. Oh, look at this. So they've encrusted the sequins within thread work, which looks so nice. अच्छा, ये ऐसा है कि ये ऊपर से आपको लगना भी फिर नहीं है. ठीक है. एक ये देखिए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. अच्छा, so this is a beautiful chai pink. ठीक है, lots of this embroidery on it.
ये तो विंटर कलेक्शन.
अच्छा, so this one has a chiffon dupatta and there is embroidery on it as well. ठीक है. Yeah, this is so pretty. Okay, I love the whole chicken curry type ना. I don't know if this is called shifli or chicken curry, जो भी होता है. बहुत प्यारा डिज़ाइन है ये. It's very pretty. ठीक है, and so this is meant to be a little bit of lawn high street. ठीक है, a little bit less complicated. Oh, beautiful print. Seriously, man. I have no money. Why am I here? Why am I making these videos? Very pretty. Oh God. अभी मैं सोच रही कि बस और नहीं मुझे कोई अच्छा लग रहा. Oh wow, I love this color. हाय तो सारी अच्छे लगने लग गए मुझे. क्या करूँगी मैं? Look at this, is beautiful. Look at the blossoms, man. ठीक है, all these lovely blossoms. They're so pretty. How can I say they don't look pretty? They look so pretty. Oh, क्या करेंगे अब हम? अच्छा, ऐसा भी नहीं है ना कि चीज़ें रह जानी, तो ये सब सेल आउट हो जाता है. फिर ख्वाब देखते, ख्वाब तो नहीं, चलो जो भी है. But you know what I'm saying. You guys understand the obsession, hence you are watching this video. अच्छा, comments में मुझे ज़रूर बताना which one is your favorite. I love this. Wow. Oh God, I hate myself. Okay, so time for my favorites. This, hands down. Oh my God, I'm in love. Why am I broke at the moment? I have no idea, but beautiful. ठीक है. I think Unstitched नहीं लगा हुआ, वरना मैं ज़रूर दिखा देती. This is so pretty. Oh my God. अच्छा, इसके बाद this one. This one. The screen is like iconic, really iconic, you guys. What is going on over here? This is so good. अच्छा, and then this peach one. Look at this. Oh. Okay, this is number 3. No, I would say this and this blue equal levels. They both take 3. Yes, they do. Oh, this was good, you guys. Really good. Honestly, I'm not kidding. This is a good collection. अच्छा खैर, comments में ज़रूर बताइएगा which one is your favorite. ठीक है, और इंशाल्लाह, oh, interesting. और इंशाल्लाह जी, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.